Sir, may bago
Oh,
ba?
oh, meron.
May bago ba?
Meron nga.
May bago ba?
Meron nga ni. Sabi lang meron eh. Tara!
Ito ang bago. Gusto mo ba ng mini EV na stylish, spacious at may mahabang range? Ito ang Kai EQ04. Ang sleek ng design, ganda ng Hawkeye LED headlight, naka-plus door handles at sporty ang LED taillights. At panalo pa ang 360 camera nito na wala sa iba. One touch start at may sunroof pa na bihira sa mga mini EV. Inside, clean and modern ang looks. Spacious ang second row, may 237 trunk cargo space plus naka-leather seats and 6 speakers sound system. At ang range, 410 kilometers lang naman. Swak sa daily and long drives. Pero kung gusto mo naman ng power, style, at space for the whole fam, check this out, the Kai X7 PHEV. Check out the front face. Ang angas, no? Lakas maka-SUV at yung LED taillights full with bar-type design with dynamic lighting. Very premium ang dating, no? At hindi lang to pang forma, spacious 7-seater ito, perfect for family and barkada road trips. Dual motor hybrid system to, 0 to 100 under 8 seconds with up to 1,200 kilometers total of range. Naka-crystal gear lever na itong kanyang gear shifter. Panoramic sunroof, dual HD screen na naka-premium vibes all around at may camera dito sa front seats for added safety and security features. At syempre, naka-360 cameras din ito. May lane assist at adaptive cruise control. So mapa mini or maxi, city or road trip, the Kai EQ04 at X7 PHEV got you covered. Stay charged, drive electric.